There, now it's recording.
On your mark, get set, go!
And here we make the band. Here she comes. The lady in red.
1683.
Yeah, baby.
How do you feel about that?
You know, it's the best race I've had so far this year. I'm really feeling confident pulling into the semifinals. I think that I can take nationals home really soon. I feel like just one more race in me. This one's going to be the record to break. I'm really feeling this one. Hold on. Okay. All right, last one.
Are you ready?
This is going to be the one.
On your mark, get set, go!
Whoa! Okay.
Here she goes down the stretch and it makes the big bend, and we'll catch her coming around on the home stretch.